What's up, Go Algo fam? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download on macOS M Chip. To check that you're on the macOS M Chip, you would have to need to go on the top left here, click on the Apple symbol, about this Mac, and as you can see, I'm on an Apple M1 chip right there. So you're on an Apple silicone chip. Alrighty. Now we're going to download the files from the Whop, which you subscribe from. So we're going to go here, do a new window here, and do whop.com. Hit enter. Now you're going to go down the left hand side here, look for Go Algo. There we go. This is where you can claim the Discord access. If you're subscribed to the automation bundle, you can also have access to our tools. We have 4 automated strategies indicators that you can use, which would be the Auto Radar, Scalper, or Balgo, and buy the dip. And then right here is where you can download the software. We have access for Windows, macOS M Chip, and Intel Chip, Linux, Deb, and Snap package. And this is the interactive guide on how to set up and everything. If you guys get lost in the video or something, you can follow this along and easily copy all the terminals, follow how to connect the brokers, all that stuff connecting the TradingView, and then how the little tutorial how it actually automates basically. And then you also can do one-on-one onboarding if you ever get stuck during the interactive step guide. Then we can hop on board and get you set up and get everything all right for you. All right, so let's go right into downloading here. I'm going to download from a Mac M Chip. There we go. All right, we are downloading right now. Okay, it looks like we have downloaded. So we're going to try to launch it. And we're going to get an error message because we're not officially in the App Store yet, which is our plan we are going to. So you get Go AutoPilot is damaged and can be open. You should move it to the trash. So what I'm going to do here is cancel. There we go. And what we're going to do is open up a terminal here. Type in terminal. There we go. Once we open our terminal, I'll put it over here, having our, there we go. I'm going to go interactive setup guide. Going to go to our macOS Apple silicone chip operating system. So this is, we already downloaded that. So we go step 2. Now we're going to copy the step 1 of the terminal. So we already opened it. So I'm going to copy this, paste it into there. So this is to make sure that we have it inside. So this right here, right there, looks like we have it. And then we're going to paste this into here. Bam, hit enter, type in our MacBook password. There we go. And then now we are going to launch the app. So we're going to go this step, copy that, and launch the app. And it should launch the app here. Voila, all set and done. But here's the issue, right? Possibly you can have a lot of webhook tunnel issues because it's not an official app yet. So if you get an error that pops up like X86 or something like that, right here, yeah, 86X error, you have to do this command and put it inside the terminal. And if your webhook tunnel is not fully connecting, like, let me go down here, probably it's not. Yeah, see, it says disconnected and there's an error or something like that, like this. That means we have to follow the next step. It would be basically this right here. If Go AutoPilot gives you error, Cloudfare binary not found. So if I shut down the app right now, shut down the app, just relaunch it here. Let's see if it pops up the error. Hopefully it didn't froze my Mac here. Let me fully close out. There we go. It fully closed out. Go in here, just type in Go AutoPilot, launch that. There we go. There we go. So this is the error here. The Cloudfare binary not found. So even though you click configure tunnel now, it's not going to work because it's not official app yet. So the local process has stopped. So to bypass this, we would have to go into back into the interactive guide and copy these commands each individually. So I'm going to shut down the app so we can do this. I'm going to copy this command, paste it into here. We moved the application into basically your applications folder, so within the Finder, so it goes in the application folders here. Now we're going to install the Cloudfare binaries into your Mac so that it can connect. We're going to type in our password, possibly. No, we do not. That's good. And now we can relaunch the application here. Copy it, paste, and there we go. It should launch the application, and now the Cloudfare binary should work. And there we go. Local process is running now. There we go, guys. If you guys need anything else or any other help, feel free to open a support ticket or book a one-on-one onboarding session, and I'll be glad to help you guys out. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next videos. See ya.